celebration and gratitude.
Sote pia tunasema amen. To invite the chair of the board.
And certificates of the institute. 300.
Allow me to call upon the Deputy Principal, Dr. Albert Riboti.
Kabali au aliyotoka karibu mtizame kwa jicho lake.
Sana na langu anawamkua pia viongozi.
During the academic year 2025-2026.
And certificates of the institute. 300.
Allow me to call upon the Deputy
Sana na langu anawamkua pia viongozi.
During the academic year 2025.
We are currently at a stage of disseminating the results to all the 47 counties so that this data can be used in spatial planning for the county spatial planning and in developing ecosystem-based management plans so that our management of protected areas, community conservancies, are based on the best available data.
We're in a digital space, and a lot of you spend a lot of time on their phone. The content that you watch on your phone, you can also generate. And you're in a good space where there's new appreciation for nature. And I say this every time I come for this graduation. If I was a student here, and there are warthogs, and there are giraffes, there are zebras, when I was coming in, the wildlife was all out to welcome parents and to make a spectacle of this day. I would start by telling the story of what I see every day.
Fisheries is a growing area. You certainly can do something to improve issues of fisheries. There is so much you can do out there.